Good morning parents and my dear students. Today I am going to teach Standard 1 English Grammar. We are going to learn how to write 3 sentences on the following topics: a parrot, a crow, a crocodile and a zoo. So students, let us start with our first topic. Students, can you recognize this picture? Yes, it is a parrot. Now we will write 3 sentences about a parrot. A parrot is a pet bird. It is green in color. It can talk if you teach it. A parrot. A parrot is a pet bird. It is green in color. It can talk if you teach it. Now students, moving on to the second topic. Can you all recognize this bird? Yes, it is a crow. Now we'll write 3 sentences about a crow. A crow is a common bird. It eats everything. It is black in color. A crow. A crow is a common bird. It eats everything. It is black in color. Now students, moving on to the third topic. Students, can you recognize this picture? Yes. What is it? It is a crocodile. Now we'll write 3 sentences on a crocodile. A crocodile is green in color. It is a reptile. It lays eggs. Now students, moving on to the last topic. Students, can you all recognize this picture? Yes, it is the picture of a zoo. Now we will write 3 sentences about a zoo. A zoo is a place where animals and birds are safe. It has many kinds of trees. There is also a toy train. A zoo. A zoo is a safe place for many animals and birds. It has many trees. There is a toy train. Now students, let us recapitulate what we have learned today. We learnt about a parrot, a crow, a crocodile and a zoo. I hope you all have understood these topics properly. Related to these topics, the worksheets will be uploaded on the school website. Thank you and have a nice day.